You are going to create a new folder to keep all of your important files for language arts for this unit. The first thing that you're going to do is go to your Google Drive. So either click the button that looks like this on your computer, or you can always go to drive.google.com. Then when your drive comes up, you don't have all the same things that I have in there. You might just have a bunch of files. I have a lot of folders already. Doesn't matter. You're going to create a new folder. So you're going to go to this button that says new and it has this plus. Click on it. Right away at the top, there is a spot for you to choose new folder. So you will click where it says folder. Let's title that folder Summer of the Mariposas. Make sure that you start it with summer. And actually at the front of it, let's go ahead and put 1 so that it is easy to find in your drive. Because once you label something with a number, it will go to the top of your drive. So we will click create. And I have folders that have zeros, but now you have your folder, and that is where you will store all of your stuff for this unit.